Welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Jackson. We are going to be doing lesson 2.7, and it's called Count On to Add. And the first thing we need to do is write our name. So if your name is Adriano, you're going to write Adriano. If your name is Orion, you're going to write Orion. If your name is Raylyn or Dominic, that's what you're going to write. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. And I'm going to write my date, which is 4-8-20. Okay? All right, now let's check it out. Explore and grow. Model the story. There are 5 coins in a piggy bank. You put in 2 more. Okay? How many coins are in the bank now? So we already had 5, and we're going to put 2 more in, okay? And it wants us to use the number line, so we'll do that first. So we already know we have 5, and we have to jump 2 more. Ready? 1, 2. How many coins do we have now? Correct, we have 7 coins. And just in case you want to double check, I brought my coins out for us to use. So we need to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Okay, in my piggy bank. And we add 2 more. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7. There are 7 coins. So we used our model with our coins, and we also used our number line and counted on. So now we're on the Think and Grow page, and we have Newton and Descartes, and they have thoughts. So let's check them out. So here's Newton. To add, count on. Okay, so this is a number line right here. This number line shows the numbers 0 through 10. Okay? Start at 4 and count on 3. So, for our problem, we have the number 4 plus 3. So we start at 4 and we need to count up 3. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So now let's try it here. Okay, so we need to start at number 7. So let's go to number 7. Make our dot. Okay, now I want you to count 2 more. Ready? 1, 2. I want you to circle that new number. What's our number? 9. Okay, I want you to try 2 by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video, and when you're ready to start number 3 with me, go ahead. All right, so let's move on to number 3. We need to start at number 4. So let's go ahead and make our little dot at number 4. And we need to count up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our new number. What's our whole? 10. Very good. All right. Now you're going to do number 4. You're going to put a dot where you start, and I want you to show me your bumps, your jumps for counting on. Okay? All right, boys and girls, let's move on to the next page. Okay, so now we're on Apply and Grow Practice. Okay? So here's our number line. I want you to use the number line to figure out your problems for number 5 and number 6. Okay? And then it has a couple more problems right here for 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. All right? I want you to do number 5 and number 6 all by yourself. Okay? I want you to do number 8 all by yourself. And let's go ahead and let's do 7 together, just so we remember how to do it. 5 and 4. So let's do 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Let's make them dark. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we have 5 plus 4. What's going to be our whole? Well, if I use my double of 4, I know 4 and 4 makes 8, plus 1 more equals 9. So use whatever strategy you can. Okay, use your strategy. Are you going to use a number line? Are you going to use the picture? Are you going to use a double? It's your choice. Okay? So you do number 8, you do number 9, and you do number 10. All right? Now let's work on number 11 together. And remember, boys and girls, at any point, if you need to pause, you push pause. You push play when you're ready. You push pause when you need a pause. Okay? This is at your pace. All right, so number 11, dig deeper. Tell what problems Newton and Descartes solved. Think, how are the problems the same? How are they different? Okay. So let's look at Newton. We can see that he started at 6. All right, so we need to write 6 because that's where he started. And let's see how many times he bumped. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he bumped 3 times. And his new number, his whole, is 9. Okay? All right, now let's look at Descartes. Descartes started at 3, so we need to write 3. And let's count how many times he bumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 6. And his whole is now 9. What? We were doing this the other day. We talked about how either add in, it doesn't matter the order that you put them in because you're still going to get the same sum. So 6 can be here or here, 3 can be here or here, but as long as you have 6 and 3, it's going to equal 9. Add in, sum. Add in, sum. Part, whole. And we know that this is the same here and here because they both have the sum of 9. Whoa, very cool. All right, so now we are on our Think and Grow Modeling Real Life. You and your friend are on a scavenger hunt. You find 3 clues. Okay, so let's circle that. We know we have 3. You and your friend find 8 clues in all. How many clues does your friend find? Okay, so we know that we have 3 clues that we found. We know that there are 8 altogether. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to color my 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 that I found. And now I'm going to make sure I have 8 altogether. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we have 8 altogether. 8 clues in all. Now we know how many our friend found. Because we know that these are how many we found. Or how many I found. And this is how many my friend found. Part, whole. Our whole is 8. 3 is our part. Now let's see how many did our friend find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our friend found 5. 5 clues. Okay? So we drew a picture to model. Now I want us to use the number line to help us. Okay? So we know that we found 3. We know we need to get to 8. So we're going to count how many times we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 5 clues. Your friend found 5 clues. All right. Now, let's go ahead and do this one together as well. Your friend collects 4 cans. You and your friend collect 10 cans in all. How many cans did you collect? All right. So we know that our friend collected 4 cans. Okay? So 4 is our important number. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw our circle on 4. You and your friend collect 10 cans in all. So we need to get to 10. So we're going to see how many jumps it takes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes 6 jumps. We collected, or you collected, 6 cans. Your friend collected 4. You collected 6. And your whole is 10. We could also model it using our coins. Okay? So your friend collected 4. But you have 10 altogether. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our whole of 10. We have one part of 4. And now our second part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So boys and girls, I'm showing you this so that you know there is always more than one way to get your answer. Okay? This worksheet has been working on using our number line to count on. Okay? So that's an important strategy. These are all strategies, just like we used material to help us. We used drawing pictures to help us. You can even use your fingers. So I know that we have 10 altogether. I know that my friend started with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I know I have 6 cans. Okay? So there's more than one way to get your answer. All right, boys and girls, we are now at the practice page. And so I want you to use your number line to help you. I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all by yourself. Use the number line. You can also choose to do the dots or draw your picture. You can use a material or a manipulative, just like I used my gold coins. I just want you to feel comfortable doing your equations. And remember, they're all addition. You can look at it. You see the addition sign. That's your plus sign. Okay? I want you to fill in the blanks. You can do it. All right, so now here's the last page of our math lesson for today. Okay? And let's go ahead and look at the top one. Dig deeper. Tell what problems Newton and Descartes solved. Think, how are the problems the same? How are they different? Okay, so Newton, he started at 3. So 3, and now let's see, how many bumps did he go? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now I want you to figure out what Descartes did with his equation, and I want you to talk to your mom or your dad or your big brother or sister or whoever is working with you at home and tell them how they are the same and how they are different, okay? All right, now let's look at number 8. Modeling real life. You have 4 coins. You and your friend have 9 coins in all. How many coins does your friend have? Okay, so you have 4, and all together there is 9 coins. So you have 4, and we need to get to 9. Okay, so let's count and see how many times we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many coins does your friend have? 5. Very good. 5 coins. Okay. All right. Use the picture to write an equation. Ooh. I want to remind you that this is a subtraction, and this one is a subtraction. So you're doing the whole minus sum. The whole minus sum. Do these 2 on your own. Now, boys and girls, again, if you at any point need to pause the video, do so, okay? This is to help you go step by step by step, all right? I love you as always.